sorry, we stopped it in the middle at an angle of 45 degree. Drag it in the third quadrant, draw it of any specific length. Now to begin with, you have to so now this is the 3D projection of the drawing. This is the drawing given, and this view is called its orthographic isometric view, and what we'll be drawing is the given view is called isometric view, and what we will drawing is the orthographic view. So in orthographic view, you have drawn a sheet divided into 4 equal parts, drawn a line of 45 angle in the third quadrant. Now to begin with, first of all, we have to decide its two sides which is of equal length. So on one of top, in the first quadrant, we will be drawing its front view. In the fourth quadrant, we will be drawing its top view, and on the second quadrant, we will be drawing its front view. So to begin with, open the reference sheet and see there's in the side view, like this is the side view. This is of length 5 cm, height 2, breadth 3, with a cut junction at about 1 unit each at about this corner. So drawing it, line, make sure you have your ortho switched on, click on line, drag it, I'll type 5 as 50, again click on line, 20, line, backspace, 30, enter, line, drop it below, 10, enter, line, drag it in this direction, backspace, 10, enter, line, drag it above, 10, enter, again line, backspace, 10, enter, line, drawn. So this is the side view of this figure we have drawn. You can see it's the same, it looks like the same. Now you have to draw its projections in the fourth quadrant. To do that, select bilayer color to green. It's not specific that you use green color every time. I use it just for my own sake. By making ortho switch on, draw its projections. Now in this fourth quadrant, we have to draw its top view. So let's see, in the top view will be, the length is about 3 units, breadth 5 units, and at about, and a 3 unit and a 1 unit the cross section would be visible about here. So drawing that, since the length from this point to this point is already 50 units, so you have to just draw a line, click here, drag it on the same line, backspace, 30 units, enter. Now you have drawn a line of 30. Click somewhere around here, the line will highlight, change the color to green, white, escape, otherwise also now change the color to white, click on line, zoom in, check out the wire mesh. Now this is exactly the top view we wanted. A rectangle of length 5, breadth 3, with about 1 unit distance from one of the sides and intersection. Here we have got that slice. Now we have to extend the projection of this line on the second quadrant. to do that, first we have to draw its projection. Click on line. First of all, select color, again back to green, line, escape, so we have only 2 lines to draw here. Now we have to trim those lines. Enter trim, select this as reference line, press enter, trim these 2, enter. Now again draw their projections on the second quadrant. Escape, enter. Select the color to red now, again line, and draw projections from this first quadrant to the second quadrant, line. That's it. To highlight this rectangular region, just type in short rectangle, select one point, select other opposite point, select the triangle, make it color as white. There you're done. So here you have just drawn the front view, which would be a rectangle 5 units. This would be 3 units, 2 units. So you have drawn here, there's this 3 units, 2 units. So this is the front side view, top view, front view. That's all. So similarly, if you get any of drawing, first of all, draw its side view on the first quadrant, top view in the fourth quadrant, and automatically you will get the front view on the fourth quadrant. Okay, so whenever, just to sum it up, whenever you get a drawing, draw its side view and its top view. Since they are of same length, you draw its side view, front view on the side view on the first, top view on the fourth, and front view you all automatically get on the second quadrant. Thank you.